Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Tania J, and today I know I'm looking real crazy right now with this bonnet on my head. But yeah, I've been just doing cleaning all day today, but I decided why not pick up the camera and film this. Giving a very much chill weekend. I really need to get my life together, girl. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you're notified anytime that I drop a video. And yeah, stay tuned, keep on watching. There's something so comforting about a freshly made bed. It's like a small act of care that makes the whole space feel so warm and cozy. A perfect way to start a Sunday reset.
Focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. No, we get this money, so I guess I keep coming. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't want you. Baby, I just want you to get up.
Honestly, this takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but makes the whole space feel fresh. And sometimes that's all I need to reset my mood. Alright, next up is the living room. This is where I spend most of my time relaxing, so I actually like to make sure that it feels relaxing.
Right now, probably 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting started, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now you like it for Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you've been too tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need to make that your own fence. Don't kid money, these grown men. Had a week, I'm up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Arch your back and knees
Washing my hair always feels like such a task, but once it's done, I always instantly feel like I've got my life together. It's my favorite part of my reset routine.
Thoughts, the paralyzed, never find
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder.
Alright, so I'm gonna let this mask sit on my face for just a few minutes. And then I'm gonna braid up my hair before I go to bed. Alright, you guys, so this is my hair freshly washed with no product in it. I'm about to braid my hair and attempt to do a braid out hairstyle. I have not done that in such a very long time, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna attempt it. But yeah, I'll come back after my hair is braided to show you guys what it looks like, and then yeah. All right, so I'm finally done braiding my hair. This was a very long process, but so glad to be done. Let's see. This is honestly my favorite part of the day. Warm tea, quiet room, and a good book. Thanks for spending this slow Sunday with me. Cheers to a new week full of softness and small wins. See you guys in the next video. Bye.